Noswaith dda, bawb. Ti'n iawn? Croeso cynnes iawn heno. Good evening, everyone. You okay? A very warm welcome tonight. 15 o adroddiadau am gathod mawr yng Nghymru ers 2020. 50 reports about big cats in Wales since 2020. Cyfres 4, Pennod 350. Series 4, episode 325. In the studio. In the studio. So, hello everybody. Heddiw yw dydd Llun, y 15fed o Fehefin 2026. Today is Monday, the 15th of June 2026. Ac mae hi'n 7:08 yr hwyr. And it is 7:45 p.m. Heddiw rydym yn defnyddio geiriau ac ymedroddion gyda thema Stiwdio recordio cerddoriaeth. Today we use words and phrases with a theme of a music recording studio. Got the thing for Monday there, different languages, 20 different languages on the web lesson at the top. Then we're on to the words for today. Words to do with recording and recording studios and things. Lleisiol, vocal. Lleisiol, so llais is voice. Lleisiol is the adjective for that. Vocal. Lleisiol. Rhan lleisiol is a vocal part. Llais cefndir, backing vocal. Rhan leisiol reiddiol. Oh, it's rhan leisiol, sorry, for a vocal part. It often mutates as it's an adjective after a singular feminine noun. Rhan leisiol, vocal part. Llais cefndir, backing vocal. Rhan leisiol reiddiol, original vocal. Rhan leisiol studio, studio vocal. Cymysgedd lleisiau cefndir, backing vocal mix. So cymysgedd is mix. Cymysgu is to mix. The verb cymysgedd is a noun from that. Cymysgedd lleisiau, voices. Cymysgedd lleisiau cefndir, background vocal mix. Cwmpas lleisiol cyfyngedig, limited vocal range. Cywasgydd llais, vocal compressor. Tanau llais, vocal cords, what you sing with. Microphone llais, vocal microphone. Meicio llais, vocal miking. The art of setting up microphones to capture the right vocals and things. Cwmpas lleisiol, vocal range. Techneg lleisiol. Technegau is vocal technique. Lleisydd, vocalist. Lleisydd byw, live vocalist. Lleisydd rock, a rock vocalist. Cymysgwr, mixer, as in the device to put two different audio signals together. A DJ might use, or a studio engineer might use. Cymysgwr, mixer. Kit drymiau, drum kit. Drymiwr, drummer. Padrwm, drum pad. Bwrlwm drum, drum roll. Croen drum, drum skin. Unaw drymiau. Drum solo. Ffon drymio. Drumstick. Toriad drymiau. Drum break. And break, drymiau. Drum break. Another type of drum break. A sampled one. From a piece of music that's got the drums go off on their own and do their own thing. A section where there's drums. A drum break. But when you sample it, it's different. Cable. Gwifren, a wire. Microphone, a microphone. Microphone cynhwysydd.
Microphone cynhwysydd.
Capacitor microphone or condenser microphone. Very sensitive microphone. Level microphone. Microphone level. Certain level of signal. Engineers might use to know what the level is. So level microphone. Stand microphone. A microphone stand. There's some different words again. Showing different patterns about things get used together. Plurals, adjectives after singular feminine nouns. What endings of adjectives look like, kind of thing. Sometimes using the plural of words to be the word to describe other words, using it as an adjective. Sometimes use the singular. Sort of patterns, different things going on. Right, moving down, some sentences. These are from the creative bit at the end today, the sort of radio play bit. Another bit of music again from the character. My Mark wedi bod yn brysur yn y studio. Mark has been busy in the studio. Ar ôl ychydig o broblemau, llwyddodd I recordio. Ar ôl ychydig o broblemau, llwyddodd I recordio. After a few problems, he was able to record. Or he succeeded to record. Felly, mae'r demo wedi gwella. So the demo was improved. Mae wedi creu mwy o draciau. He has created some more tracks. Mae ychydig o piano wedi ychwanegu. A little bit of piano has been added. Mae yna hefyd fwy o haenau newydd. There are also some more new layers. Mae wedi recordio rhywfaint o gitar bas, cymbalau, ail gitar a lleisiau. He has recorded some bass guitar, cymbals, second guitar and vocals. Mae'n bwriadu ysgrifennu bob dydd nawr. He intends to write every day now. Felly, mae'n hapus bod pethau'n dechrau mynd rhagddynt. So he is happy things are getting going. Okay, moving down, got some, the sentence games for them ones, and then news ones. So, Cyngor Sir Penfro yn cadarnhau penderfyniad I gau 2 ysgol gynradd. Pembrokeshire County Council confirms decision to close 2 primary schools. Cyngor Gwynedd yn ymddihiro I gynddysgyblion canolfan Bryn Ffynnon a gafodd ei camdrin. Gwynedd Council apologises to the former pupils of Bryn Ffynnon Centre who were abused. Anal difrifol I fachgen 2 oed wedi gwrthdrawiad ar iard ysgol Feithrin. Serious injury to a 2-year-old boy after a collision in a nursery schoolyard. America ac Iran yn cytuno ar fframwaith I ddod ar rhyfel I ben. America ac Iran yn cytuno ar fframwaith I ddod ar rhyfel I ben. America and Iran agree on a framework to end the war. Sut mae gwaharddiad ar blant yn defnyddio'r cyfryngau cymdeithasol wedi gweithio yn Australia? How has a ban on children using social media worked in Australia? We'll see. Have a look, click the link, have a gander. And then today's new bit is this. Mae Mark wedi bod yn brysur yn y studio. Mark has been busy in the studio. Ar ôl ychydig o broblemau, llwyddodd I recordio. After a few problems, he was able to record. Felly, mae'r demo wedi gwella. So the demo has improved. Mae wedi creu mwy o draciau. He has created some more tracks. Mae ychydig o piano wedi ychwanegu. A little bit of piano has been added. Mae yna hefyd fwy o heinau newydd. There are also some more new layers. Mae wedi recordio rhywfaint o gitar bas, cymbalau, ail gitar a lleisiau. He has recorded some bass guitar, cymbals, second guitar and vocals. Mae'n bwriadu ysgrifennu bob dydd nawr. He intends to write every day now. Felly, mae'n hapus bod pethau'n dechrau mynd rhagddynt. So he is happy things are getting going. Ddim yn gwybod beth yw'n ni. Just gen I ddim byd I ddweud. Siaradwch amdan chi. Mae gen bawb ei stori.